Hi guys. Hi guys. Myself Chef Gansham. I am from Goa, Ranchikot Food Solution. I am the owner of and food consultant. Uh, thank you. I think so. Everyone is coming right now. Oh wow, great. Yeah, hi Samit, hi Jayashri. Wow. So yes, I'm going to present you one of the sweet dessert of Goan Portuguese cuisine, named as a seradura, which is basically simple recipe, but I'm going to twist a little bit with the king of a fruit, mango. And yes, thanks Anuj. Hi, everything. Hi, Jay Shri Patel from Chicago. Wow, great. So hi everyone. Myself Chef Gansham from Ranchikut Food Solution. I'm the consultant chef, uh, working in Goa, and I'm going to present you. Thank you, Tushar. I'm going to present you one of the Goan Portuguese dessert named as Seredura, but I'm going to twist with the mango. Yes, Sanjana. Okay, so we are going to live right now. So I'll show you the recipe. Hi guys.
माझंच अमोलबद्दल जरा बोल.
Hi, welcome in Amul live session of different cuisine. Hi everyone, I hope so you are doing well at the moment in your lockdown. Right now we are in a very different situation, but I know your mental and health situation and your progress is well. Right now I'm going to show you with some Amul product with a nice Portuguese dish named as Seredura, but I changed a little bit. I'm going to make with the mango, so a little bit of twist. Okay, so I'm going to use Amul cream, fresh cream, Amul condensed milk, some mango pulp, which is they've got hapus mango pulp, and this is digestive Mari biscuit. Okay, so these are the only basic ingredients, and this is the 200 ml of fresh cream, Amul fresh cream, and I'm going to add in this now condensed milk 200 ml. I already measured and kept. So it's your condensed milk. Okay, I'm going to mix this.
Can we use any biscuit?
Yes, you can use any biscuit, no problem. But I prefer little bit digestive because it's very heavy because of milkmaid as well as the cream. So I have to
Boycott
mix it.
Chinese products, please. Boycott Chinese products, please.
Yes, definitely. We'll boycott the Chinese product, but we are very bound with the China. Don't worry about the Chinese boycottion. Yes, please love all the food. Please love all
What
the
are
cuisine.
making? What are making?
I'm making Seredura. It's a Goan Portuguese dessert. I took 200 ml of Amul fresh cream and 200 ml of Amul mithai made. So I'm mixing this both together. Okay, you have to mix it well.
Please repeat all.
Yes, I'm going to repeat this again. Definitely, I'll just little bit whisk it properly. So so it will get mixed together well. So I took 200 ml of fresh cream, 200 ml of Amul milk made, mithai made, okay, and I'm mixing right now with both together.
Good afternoon. Mixing what? Please repeat.
Yes, I will repeat the complete recipe again. No worries. And I took 200 ml of fresh cream, 200 of mithai made. Both are the Amul product, and I'm mixing that both together. I took around 20 numbers of biscuits. I took a Marie digestive biscuit, and I took a mango pulp. I'm just going to twist this recipe with the mango pulp. Basic cerebra is made with the vanilla essence. You add the vanilla essence and layer it up, and you have to freeze it for 6 hours. Yes, definitely. We don't have a time for 6 hours, but I already made and kept for you for a presentation. So here our cream and milk maid is already done. Okay, now we are going to layer it up.
Can you twist this Portuguese recipe still further to make this universal for all, including wings, by avoiding dairy products and replace with soya, badam?
Yes, you can use the coconut milk. If you get concentrated coconut milk, you can use the coconut milk. Yes, but for that, yeah, you can use the coconut milk. Soya milk, I didn't tried it, but yes, for that, try for the soya milk also not bad. But we have to check. Okay, so I'm going to layer it up. This one, so I'm putting some dust of
200 ml fresh cream with 200 ml of condensed milk.
yes, correct. 200 of ml of condensed milk and 200 ml of.
Can't it mixing with hand better?
Yeah, I made it with hand only. If you see, I made it with hand, with the hand blenders. So I am adding this.
Tell about quantity by cup or spoon.
If you measure by cup, now you can take 1 cup of condensed milk and you can add 1 cup of fresh cream. So I am layering up with this. So on the bottom we put some biscuits. So again I am going to layer it up with this.
Boycott Chinese products.
Dear ones, definitely will drop the China one, but please, I will beg you to not to go in. We are at the moment on the live for the Amul session. Okay, Chinese product will ban it. Okay, wherever we want to ban it. For the food, yes, definitely there are some things which are we also like for the Chinese cuisine. Please don't go through the full media, people. Okay, we'll focus on the food, not on the China. So I'm twisting this with some.
Can we use coconut cream?
Yes, we can use the coconut cream, but coconut cream you have to make it thicken more, because you have to take the concentrated one.
Only biscuit crumbled, or have you added something to it?
No, it's only biscuit, a plain biscuit I made it. So more one biscuit layer I am putting on the top. And this is Devgarh Hapus pulp. So I'm going to add some fresh cream.
How to thicken coconut cream?
So you have to take the concentrate cream. Now this is layered up. Okay, so I made a twist in between that. We made a layer of a biscuit cream with the condensed milk. You can put the vanilla essence if you like it.
What do we call this dish?
It's seredura. It's a Goan Portuguese dessert. Okay, then I topped it with some mango, and again I filled with the cream, and again with some biscuit layer, and again the mango. Okay, and you have to this refrigerated for 6 hours. Definitely we are on the live, so I already made for you in the morning. So this is the final product, which is thick and creamy seredura.
What is actually used in place of mango?
It is basically layer of a cream, condensed milk and biscuit with a small bit of a vanilla essence. This is the pure seredura we made in Goa, but I twist with sometime I made with the jackfruit pulp, some mango pulp. You can add it on, like it's a different version that we are making right now. So I hope so you like this recipe.
Which biscuit will taste good in this?
Plain Marie digestive biscuit or plain Marie biscuit is best for this one.
We can use whipped cream also.
You can use the whipped cream, but the fresh cream give you the more taste. Whipped cream will not going to be give you that great taste. Okay, so I already refrigerated this one for 6 hours. So that is your seredura, and this is the right now we made it. So we are going to keep this for the 6 hours in the refrigerator. Then your seredura is ready to eat. So this is your thick seredura, yummy with the Devgarh Hapus.
Please repeat.
Yes, I'm going to repeat you right now. Okay, so we made a mango seredura. Seredura is a Goan Portuguese dish, dessert basically. For that we used 200 ml of fresh cream, 200 ml of milk mathai made, Amul. We mix it together. We made a crumb of a biscuit, digestive Marie biscuit, and I took some mango pulp along with that. When we mix this with the hand blender, you can use the electronic one. Make it a little bit thicker on side. Okay, then top it up with the layer as much you want to add on biscuit, cream, any flavor you want to add. You can add any flavor, or biscuit cream layers you can add it on, and freeze it for 6 hours in your refrigerator, and your seredura, a Portuguese Goan dish dessert, is ready to eat. So
We should whip the cream and condensed milk for how many minutes?
around 10 minutes you can whip it and continuously stir it, then it will become a good form of a thickness. You will got it after the cream. While using Amul fresh cream also, use the thickened part of a cream. Don't use the little bit of watery part of a cream. Don't use that one. Take a thick part of a cream and milk maid and mix it together for 10 minutes.
Chef, please tell how to thickness coconut cream.
Uh,
Thicken coconut.
you have to take a concentrated coconut milk. This is already thickened and you have to beat that one for a 10 minutes at least. Yes, anything more? And so we are
Do
ready.
we have to keep in freezer or we
Yes.
just have to chill in fridge for 6 hours?
You have to chill this refrigerated chill for 6 hours this dessert. You don't have to keep in the deep freeze. So I hope so you enjoy the live session with Amul. Please do write on this one. And please, as the lockdown get over, please welcome to Goa. Have the food with Ranchikul Food Solutions. We have a best restaurant based in Goa. So please come and enjoy the lovely dessert, lovely Goan dishes with Chef Ghanshyam. Thank you very much. Any questions? Yes, please try at home. It's very simple dessert. Kids will love that dessert and easy to make. Yes, thank you very much. I hope so you like this session and we'll come with the new recipe soon, definitely with some different ideas and innovation, and lots of chefs are doing well at the moment with the Amul, and definitely that help and boost for the hotel industry right now at the moment which is lockdown. Yes, Manjiri, please try it. Yes. Thank you very much everyone who was on live. Please give me feedback. I'm on the Instagram foodie_challenge. I'm there on the Facebook, Chef Ghanshyam Rege, and I'm there on the social media platform. Please kindly connect me. Yeah, you can use the Parle Ji, Manjiri. Yes, you can use the name of the dessert is Seredura. It's a Goan Portuguese dessert. I hope so, Lakshmi, you got it. Parle Ji, basically Parle Ji is again a sweet biscuit. So more adding sweet again in the dessert, it's different. I Kanchan. I hope so people are joining back. So we made a Goan Portuguese dish which is very simple. I'm going to show you again. So I used 200 ml of Amul thickened fresh cream, 200 ml of Mithai Made biscuit. You can use any biscuit, but I used Mari digestive biscuit which is lower in sweetness, and some Devgad Hapus pulp. And when we mix together for 10 minutes, you can add it vanilla essence if you want, and we layered up this one with the biscuit cream mango, and your lovely dessert is ready. गिरधर जी हिंदी में बताता हूँ एक बार फिर से. हमने लिए है 200 ml अमूल का फ्रेश क्रीम, 200 ml मिठाई मेड. इसे हमने दोनों को एक साथ में मिक्स किया हुआ है 10 मिनट के करीबन, और उसके बाद हमने बिस्किट लिए. यहाँ बिस्किट का चूरा किया हुआ है, इसको फाइन क्रम किया हुआ है. मिक्सर में आप कर सकते हो, हाथ से भी कर दे सकते हो. और मैंने लिया है इधर मैंगो का पल्प. अभी इसको हमने एक बार थिक मिक्स करने के बाद इसको हमने लेयर अप किया हुआ है, जैसे आप देख सकते हो यहाँ. तो हमने पहले बिस्किट का लेयर बनाया, फिर जो हमने मिक्स किया हुआ अमूल क्रीम और कंडेंस मिल्क है वो डाला, फिर वापस हमने थोड़ा सा मैंगो बिस्किट ऐसा करके लेयर बनाई हुई है. और इसको आपको 6 घंटे तक रेफ्रिजरेटर में चिल करना है. Yes, Prachi, you can use the electronic better. No, you should have to mix it for 10 minutes. You should have to make it very fluffy. गिरधर जी, आई थिंक सो यू गॉट माई थिंग्स इन हिंदी, आपको समझ में आया होगा शायद। तो इसे हमें लेयर में बनाना है। ये बहुत सिंपल रेसिपी है जो घर में बनाई जा सकती है, जिसमें बच्चे लोगों को बहुत मज़ा आएगा ये खाते हुए। इसलिए हम लोग थैंक यू गिरधर जी, thank you, thank you very much everyone. I hope so you enjoy the session live with Amul. um, thank you very much everyone. Hi Sonia, myself Chef Gansham Rege. I am there on the Facebook, as well as I am on the Instagram foodie_challenge. Thank you Rajpurohit ji, thank you very much for attending the session. Thank you everyone who attend the session. अच्छा, okay Kamini ji. Yes, you can use chiku, you can use all the pulp, all the fresh fruits ingredients, which is healthy for our things. Seasonal is very best because these are like सीजनल, दैट्स वाई कॉल्ड सीजनल। ये हमें सिर्फ हमारे हर ऋतु में जो मिलते हैं वो हम यूज कर सकते हैं। आप इसमें डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स ऐड कर सकते हो, मज़ा आता है। आई ट्राइड विद जैकफ्रूट पल्प। हमें आपको ये बताने में खुशी होगी, आप पल्प को कुक करके गुड़ के साथ या शक्कर के साथ इसको आप रेफ्रिजरेटर कर सकते हो, डीप में आप रख सकते हो, और अभी आपको जब मन चाहे तब उसको निकाल के आप खा सकते हो। यस मंजरी, थैंक यू, सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम डेफिनेटली। Thank you everyone, and I hope so you enjoy the session of live in Amul. Myself Chef Gansham, Ranchi Food Solution गोवा के साथ मैं आपको सबको धन्यवाद कहता हूँ। Is anyone joining right now? So shall I repeat the recipe? Yeah, Chetna. Yes, definitely. So I used 200 ml of fresh cream, which is a little bit thicker on the side. Milkmaid, Mithai Maid, Amul Mithai Maid, and I mix it for 10 minutes to make it more thicken. I took it some biscuit crumbs. Okay, you can make with hand or you can make it fine in mixer. Okay, I took some mango pulp. You can use any ingredients or you can plainly made with the layer of this one. So I layered it up with some biscuit cream, biscuit mango, biscuit cream, mango, biscuit. You can layer it up how many times if you want. You can layer it up, and you have to refrigerate it for 6 hours in the fridge. So I'm repeating, Sunita, I hope so you are okay. I'm going to repeat it again, no problem. So this kind of a layer you can form, and you have to refrigerate it for 6 hours, and you will find a very nice Goan Portuguese dessert in your fridge. Yeah, hi Pinky. I hope so you got it, the recipe. Yes, Sunita. thanks, Gopika. Yes, definitely, it's very yummy and very tasty recipe for the kids. You can try it, and please give me the feedback when you tried at home. You can make your short videos at your home and send it to on us on my page, Facebook page, Chef Gansham Rege. You can send it on it, so I'll also enjoy to see you are also cooking. Okay, if someone is come again back, just I'll repeat the recipe because I finished with the recipe twice. Thank you, Sunita. Please, Surma ma'am, try it. Definitely. Ritu ma'am ji, I made a Goan Portuguese dessert, Seredura, which is made with a mixing of 200 ml of Amul fresh cream and Amul mithai made. You have to mix both ingredients for 10 minutes. Mix it well. Don't put on the mixer. You have to mix with the hand mixer or a blender, electronic one. Yes, I am repeating. Please, yeah, you can add dry fruits. You can add dry fruit, but dry fruit, definitely you can add some dry fruits inside, some broken cashew nut, almonds, slice of almonds. You can add it. So in that you have to make a bread, biscuit crumbs, around 20 to 25 biscuit crumbs. You have to crush it well, and you have to take any pulp with the seasonal fruit or regular fruit, or you can make it simple as it is. So as you made, you will find the concentration, the mixing of a mithai made and fresh thickened cream together, some biscuits, and I took the mango pulp as I make a mango seredura. So I made a layer of a biscuit, cream, biscuit, mango, biscuit, cream, mango, biscuit, anything you can top it up well, and you have to refrigerate this for 6 hours in the fridge. So your yummy seredura is ready. You can add some nuts inside. You can almonds, cashew nuts, some raisins. You can add it on. लीना जी, अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले रिपीट किया है. If somebody want to repeat, you can see the live host party again. I hope so. I repeated twice. It's very simple and common recipe which is made in Goan houses for the dessert purpose. Okay. Thank you very much. I'm signing off. Chef Ghansham from Ranchikut Food Solution. Thank you, Amul. Thanks to give me a good chance to show the recipes, and definitely we will make it more enthusiastic with the more recipes and with the more people. Thank you very much. Signing off, Chef Ghansham from Ranchikut Food Solution, Goa. Thank you.